Hi, this is Dikshit Kumar. I have 2.5 years of experience in industry, so working in machine learning and deep learning domain. So currently, I'm pursuing PhD in artificial intelligence, specialized in uh, computer vision and automation. So while I'm working, I have been associated with skill development institutions, being a professional mentor for data science, data analytics, Tableau courses for the students as well as the professional working people. So in this video, I'm going to give a brief outline of the data science course. So the data science course consists of majorly three modules. One is Python, and next thing is machine learning, and third is the deep learning. Yeah, so Python is again a very big version because we have so much of applications are being there based on the Python. So in this course, we are going to learn Python, which is required for the data science. So what is the information and what are the key details is required, what are the key functionalities, and what are the key functions we need to be aware. So those topics are going to be covered. So but still we are going to learn from the basics onwards. So we are going to cover what are the basics of Python and what are the looping functions and what are the data types, and then we are going to deep dive into the what is a NumPy, and then we are going to learn what is the pandas, because when you're dealing with any data, mostly the data going to be in the data frames. So the pandas has been designed specifically to deal with the data frames. So we are going to learn the pandas as well, and then matplotlib for the basic visualizations as well as the advanced visualizations as well. And then we are going to work two projects on the Python before going into the modeling. So that gives you confidence on the analytical part before getting head into the modeling part in the data science. So we'll be working on two projects. One is text analysis and another is the sales data, which is the retail domain. And then once we are done with it, then we are going to the second module, which is a machine learning. So machine learning consists of different type of learning, something called supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, and now recently we are even listening the semi-supervised learning as well. So in this module, we are going to much focus on the supervised learning because 90% of the problems which we are solving in the data science are the supervised problems. But still, we are going to get a glimpse of knowledge on the unsupervised and reinforcement learning as well. So our much focus is going to be on the supervised learning, and then in this module, so we are going to cover the different models in the machine learning, which are called logistic regression, linear regression, lasso regression, Lids regression, and then logistic regression, support vector machines, decision trees, random forest. So all these models we are going to cover in detail with a real data set. So we are going to understand like what is the importance of this each and every model, and what are the functions, what are the internal mathematical computations are being happening inside the model. So we are going to learn in detail of each and every every model in the machine learning module. And then we are going to work on a lot of case studies on the capstone project as well on all the models, and we are going to compare the results like which model is doing better on a particular project. And then the third module is something called deep learning, so which is a subset of machine learning. So deep learning comes to the picture where the machine learning fails actually, because the machine learning is very good in dealing with the structured data. So when you have unstructured data, something called videos, images, audio files, where the machine learning models do fail in exhibiting the better results. So the deep learning comes into the picture. So the deep learning is now being very much very much providing the promising results in the research as well. So we are going to have a glimpse on an in detail understanding of the neural networks as well. So this gives a new era and new way of implementing the machine learning. So we are going to learn in detail on deep dive into the neural networks, and then we'll learn what are the different type of neural networks, the convolution neural networks, then deep neural networks and recurrent neural networks. But here morely we are going to concentrate much on the deep neural networks and the convolution neural networks, because the recurrent neural networks is again a big topic, so that needs to be a separate module. But moreover, in this particular course, we are going to cover the deep learning, deep neural networks and the convolution neural networks. And at the end, we are going to work on projects as well. Moreover, these convolution neural networks are going to work on, we use a platform, something called TensorFlow or maybe the PyTorch. It is up to us, like during which application we have to go for it, but it's all like we can implement any of the tools, any of the platforms. Okay, and then we are going to have an hands-on projects which is an object detection, face recognition, and as well as the handwritten digit recognition with the Keras. Thank you so much.